Year 5s, today we're going to be learning about capacity. So capacity is the total amount of fluid that can be used to fill a container. It's what we usually use when we're measuring liquids. Now it would usually be used in measured in millilitres or litres. Remember that there are 1,000 millilitres in a litre. But just be aware that for today's work with maths, no problem, they are occasionally measuring it in centimetres. So here we can find in the capacity of each box. Let's hope if they're putting liquid into it that it's waterproof. So here we've got the measurements of 4 centimetres by 4 centimetres by 2 centimetres. So remember, to work that one out, we're going to do 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. If the question is in centimetres, our answer is going to be in centimetres cubed. For B, the measurements are 6 centimetres by 5 centimetres by 8 centimetres. And for C, the measurements are 10 centimetres by 5 centimetres by 12 centimetres. Hopefully you work those ones out as being 32 centimetres cubed, 240 centimetres cubed and 600 centimetres cubed. Have a go now for these boxes. The measurements here are 6 centimetres by 5 centimetres by 5 centimetres and 10 centimetres by 12 centimetres by 6 centimetres. Hopefully you've got 150 centimetres cubed for the first one and 720 centimetres cubed for the second one. Okay, so problems with capacity, and these ones are measured in millilitres and litres. Just read the questions carefully as to what they're wanting your answers to be given in. So for the first question, we've got 2.5 litres, that's 2.5 litres of Coke, and it's shared between 5 friends. How much does each person get? Question 2, Michael drinks 330 millilitres of lemon water every day. How much lemon water does he drink in 1 week? And it wants your answer for this in litres. Then we've got a car that uses 2.5 litres of fuel every 2 kilometres that it travels. How much fuel does it use if it travels for 50 kilometres? And last of all, Susie has a jug of lemonade. She doesn't know how much lemonade she has, but she knows that that jug can fill 12 glasses that each have the capacity of 270 millilitres. So how much lemonade does she have? Hopefully you had these answers. So for question 2, if you'd worked it out in millilitres first, you might have done 330 times 7, which is 2,310. But converting that back to litres would give you a final answer of 2.31. The final task is to come up with some more capacity problems. It might be that you do your questions based on sizes of boxes, or you could do ones that include liquids like our examples that we've just done. Feel free to send some of these on to your friends for them to have a go at working out, or see if any family members have got some time to have a go at them. If not, make sure you work out the answers yourself though, so that you know if they're correct or not. That's it for today, guys, so remember to email through one example of your maths and your English from the week, and I'll speak to you soon.